Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone know about that how we can promoting business. So a lot of people worry about that. So in this purpose, in our channel we make the one video for how we can generating through leads on your website by using for Gmail ads. So we can open for Gmail. They're showing certain ads are there. So in these ads, that mean by they're generating for offers. What kind of offers we have to promoting for in this year? So here, book now 0 GST, live your dream, move it now. Ready to occupy 3 BHK community, start from 1.1 CR. So this all ads from your email, how we can get. So how we can creating for this type of ads. The showing for this ad will be social button and promotion buttons. So this all will be belongs to for Gmail ads. This all ad will be creating for to generating for website traffic purpose. In this purpose, we have to log in option will be called google.com/adwords. Follow the simple step. कभी भी आपको what are the steps you can follow this one? There's a major impact from your business. So now that image and size, everything will be given by the in a particular Google AdWords. So my goal will be called maybe brand awareness or website traffic. So my goal will be called website traffic. My goal will be called website traffic. Now selecting for new campaign. In this campaign option, we have certain goals are there. The campaign will be designed will be two types, with goal, without goals. The goals are sales, lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visit and promotions. These are the goals. The total goals will be seven, will be here. Without goals, search, display, shopping, video, app, smart campaign, local, and discovery. But in this one, we have to promote in where website traffic using display ad by using for Gmail campaign. If selecting for standard, both will be there. Smart display also will be there in a particular. Now we are selecting only for Gmail campaign. Compulsory like I mentioned by the website mandatory. Why? Because you have to promoting for which one particular website option. So that is purpose. The website link compulsory mandatory. Copy the link and paste it. Now click for continue. With our website, we can't create that. Why? Our goal will be website. So here I am give the campaign name, selecting for language. Here language will be selecting for number of language select or all language will be supported. But I'm selecting for only for English. My location target will be country wise, India wise, and specific location wise. But my target will be only for local target people. Here two things are very important in this campaign. Bid and budget. Bidding and budget. Bid nothing but per ad, per click, how much charge, budget per day at campaign total. Suppose you're running for campaign, like your budget will be 10,000. When 10,000 will be finished, your campaign up to will be run. Suppose your 10,000 will finish within a day. Suppose the campaign will be finished. There is a two things, budget and bidding. Bid nothing but each ad. Suppose I can see this ad. When people will be click, they will be charged. That is the bid price. That is the bid price. Now coming to what? Here is the English. So my option will be called clicks and conversion. Both will be there, but I looking for clicks. When people come into my website, definitely they will come into here. So how much per daily budget? I'm give only for 500. So they are mentioned by the campaign total. So each and every campaign they mention for first campaign, ad group and create your ads. Now selecting for ad group. These are the campaign structure and reach people by using keywords, anything by targeting will be here. But I'm searching for where Gmail ad. So nothing will be in a particular keyword. So any specific audience you target. So any business emails. I'm targeted by each and every males and age peoples. So up to 45 is a my precision. Time is a option. Next for is a common and how much CPC bid price per click how much you give and give only for 10 rupees click charge. So when a budget will be fixed for 10 rupees, the clicks will be 1k to 2.1k. The average CPC cost will be 1 rupee to 3.39 paisa and impression will be 2.9k to 8.4k. So people watching for 2900 to 8400 but clicks will be happening for 1000 to 2100. Suppose budget will be decrease. Clicks will be here. That is the range of the price. Suppose I give the only for 3 rupees. If is the budget will be insufficient, the showing here will be error. Suppose 20 paisa here. But is not sufficient budget. You can give by here. Yes. And one more thing, you are creating ad. Unfortunately, the ad will be not running. The main reason for the campaign budget. This is compulsory important. Suppose 0.01. See here, the wrong option. 0.20. Here is the option. 0.50. Here is the option. Creating ad. Which one? Gmail ad. Here, the Gmail is supporting for on computer. Business name. You are writing for business name. So you will exceed for the 21 characters. So that is called I am not give the space. Here I am give by I'm give by description here. So I'm writing for description here. Finally, here we are adding for images. Images upload in the particular part where you can have other images. So that your images will be in a particular using for designs. So here, what are the important things you have to cover it and make it for email will be here. Save. Save. The show ad will be customer will be see like this. This is a particular preview option here. Show full preview in this. If we come into the mobile phones, here is the ad. When click, ad show to the customers. And finally, you can add your video also. Video will be searching for in a YouTube channel by your channel name. The video is not available on YouTube. We can't do anything. Nothing will be happen for this option here. The video also displayed by the a particular option. So this will be showing for where phone and computer both will be flexible. But each click I'm giving for 50 paisa, I'll get the click for 7,100 to 14,000. Impression will be 9,500 to 24,000. The budget of each click will be 50 paisa. So here is the previews. If you want play the preview, the preview will be play for in this option. See here. This is all nothing but you have to creating for a business to promoting for way a particular Gmail network. So these are the ads will be showing to where? In the Gmail login for social and promotion option. So this is ad will be displayed for video for the option is called image. Finally, when click for your create campaign, add to ad group, done, and create to campaign. Finally, they give the complete picture of the your campaign, date, campaign goals. This is called I'm generating for my website traffic per day 500. The language I'm selecting for English. The campaign goal will be called Google Mail, and this data will be manual CPC. Each click will be and give the 50 paisa charge. Finally, continue to campaign. Once your campaign will be approved, you can create a number of ads. There's nothing worry about that. Ad will be created. So each campaign for each ad group, you can create number of ads. Each campaign, you can create number of ad groups. Each ad group you can creating for number of individual ad will be created. So this is we have to focus and upload by the image and upload by videos to promote your website to get traffic and generating leads. Finally, you will be generating leads and it will be convert based on your price. This only display for the Gmail to people know about your business, your offers, and based on your what are the content you're providing for image and video. And Gmail campaign, they're providing for image and video. Both are flexible to generating for business leads. That mean by to generating website traffic, the people will be offer will be like the generating for business leads. So this is we have to follow to increase website traffic and business leads. If anyone we have doubts will be there, please ask me in the comment box and join our button. We'll share the live videos in the particular screen recording for each and every steps. Thank you. Who are the first watching my video? Please subscribe our channel.